Welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever been to a restaurant and struggled to order food in English? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be confident enough to order like a pro. First impressions are important. Start by greeting the staff. You can say, "Hi, table for two, please," or if you have a reservation. "Hello, we have a reservation under your name." Easy, right? Easy. Not sure what to order? Don't be afraid to ask the waiter for recommendations. You can say, "What do you recommend?" or "What's the most popular dish here?" This shows you're open to trying something new. Now it's time to order. The easiest way is to say, "I'll have the pasta, please." You can also say, "Could I get the pasta?" Polite and to the point. Do you have special requests? Be specific. For example, "Could you leave out the onions, please?" Or, "Can I have the dressing on the side?" This way, the staff knows exactly what you want. The waiter might ask you questions like, "How would you like your steak cooked?" Or, "Would you like anything to drink?" Make sure to listen carefully and respond with what you want. It's perfectly okay to ask them to repeat if you didn't catch something. Sometimes things don't go as planned. If there's a problem with your order, don't panic. Politely say, "Excuse me, I didn't order this," or, "Could you please bring me a new one?" Politeness goes a long way. Once you're done with your meal, you'll need to ask for the bill. Simply say, "Can we have the bill, please?" Or, "Could I get the check, please?" Easy to remember. Don't forget to thank the staff before you leave. A simple "Thank you for your service" or "The food was amazing, thank you" will leave a good impression. Let's quickly recap. You learned how to greet the staff, ask for recommendations, place your order, and handle special requests. Now it's your turn to practice. Try repeating these phrases after me. "Hi, table for two, please." "I'll have the pasta, please." "Can we have the bill, please?" Here's a quick quiz. What would you say to ask for the bill? Please comment on the video. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. See you next time.